Hi everybody, it's Phil from Clevelandmoto, and we've got a very exciting day for you today. We've got two new colors of Vespas. These are the Vespa for the City collection. We are the first dealer in Ohio. We're uncrating them right here so you can see them, check them out for the very first time. I'm not exactly sure what shade of color they're going to have on these. These bikes are supposed to be with a crash bar for the front and rear, and also with a different colored saddle as well. These bikes are also going to be coming with a backpack. So let's take a look inside the crate and see exactly what we have today. All right, let's have a look first. We'll work with this one. All right, so this is the gray one. This down so you guys can take a look at the color. It's the Dove Gray, so it's the same color Dove Gray that you'll see on the Vespa Super Tech. So it's the same, it's the Super Tech Dove Gray. So this is a Dove Gray color that's available on the Sprints, and it's also available on that 300cc Super Tech. That is the Dove Gray color. Excellent. Let's take a look and see what the blue looks like. All right. And let's see what blue they're using. Sure does look a lot like the Vivace. All right, so that it is, yes. So it's the Vivace blue on a Primavera. It's got the tan saddle. And now this is going to come later on. We'll be installing the crash bar kit, or they call the impact protection kit, on the front and rear. And there will be a backpack that comes along with this too, probably shipping to dealers separately. So these are the Vespa Primaveras for the City. That's a special edition. You can get in touch with us here at Clevelandmoto.com. Number is 216-795-5580. Remember to ride fast and take chances.